Hello, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a Volkswagen transport from the workshop, so it's a California. Right, let's have a look inside. So this one has come in today for the DMX9720XDS. So it's a lovely big tablet. It's touchscreen. It's wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, so I have my phone paired up now, so you can see I've got access to Spotify, I've got Google Maps for navigation, I've also got YouTube Music, Ringo for parking, that's that there. We've also got DAB, digital radio, we've got the usual FM as well, Bluetooth, hands-free and audio streaming, and one other thing we have done on this vehicle is use the KENWOOD lead to retain the parking display. So there's that one there. So that's the front and rear sensors on the screen. And there we go, there's that one there.